Hi and welcome back to AI Friday. Last episode we spoke about the skills that will stand to you in the future, and this episode we're coming with the 20 top jobs that will become more prevalent.
Yeah, so here are the first 5.
1. Data scientists and data analysts. There is no surprise here, as there will be a need to build algorithms based on a set of identified rules, resolve data quality issues, create dashboards and visualizations. 2. Data storytellers. Provide a narrative to data provided and give it context so that decisions can be made. 3. Artificial intelligence and machine learning programmers and researchers. In addition to the data scientists, there will be those specializing in AI and machine learning to ensure the most appropriate technologies are used and tweaked where necessary. 4. Cybersecurity specialists. With the increasing use of online environments for everything including financial transactions, there is an increasing need to keep data safe. 5. ICT architects with a strategic mindset and technical understanding to explain in business terms will be required.
It looks like you should know quite a lot about number 5, an ICT architect.
Absolutely. For those who don't know, an ICT architect does a blueprint for the building of ICT across an organisation, and a strategic one does that at a high level. And it's very similar to an architect for a building doing a blueprint for a building. Yeah. So SEEK released a report recently that said that this role is in demand, so that's why that one's been added to the list. Okay, let's go for the next 5.
6. Social media and web designers. With the exponential growth of social and other online platforms, there will be an increasing need for custom design specialists. 7. Virtual and augmented reality designers to create the new VR, AR world. 8. Big data cloud platform specialists to apply big data solutions in the most appropriate cloud environments. 9. Robotic process automation builders and maintenance managers to keep the robots in good working order. 10. Biochemistry and molecular scientists and technical engineers to take advantage of advances in the study and shaping of the human body.
Great. Can you tell me a little bit about what a big data cloud specialist is?
Yeah, okay. So I guess the combination of skills across big data, AI and cloud is going to open up a lot of roles in the future. So that's why that one has been included. Okay, so let's have a look at the next 5.
11. Organisational change management to build data-driven cultures in the organisation. 12. User experience designers as personalisation becomes more important. 13. Digital marketing specialists to take advantage of online marketing opportunities. 14. Psychologists and therapists to cope with the increase in mental health issues. 15. Social care, nursing and social work, where emotional intelligence and the human services are preferred.
Brilliant. Number 15 there, it really relates back to what we spoke about in the skills about emotional intelligence.
That's right, because the social care and in the nursing field, you're not going to get any robots with emotional intelligence. So there's going to be a great need for that in the future. Childcare, social care, elderly care, and there needs to be a fair bit of personal touches with that. Having said that, there will be technology innovations in that space, so a knowledge of technology will be important as well. Okay, so here's the next 5.
16. Child and elder care, as looking after children and the elderly cannot be replaced by robots. 17. Health and beauty care, as humankind become more conscious of their bodies. 18. Brand specialists and personal coaches will continue to increase as people continue to want to improve themselves and be happier. 19. Fulfillment, operations and warehouse management. With the growth of online sales, there will be a need for the management of order placement, storage and delivery. 20. Small job specialists, as there is no point in the automation of small semi-manual tasks, and there will be an increasing demand for small casual jobs to be performed in the community.
Yeah, thanks. And health and beauty care, how's that affected?
Yeah, interestingly, that's another one where you need the human touch, and a lot of people are becoming more health conscious now. And one of the things I've noticed, that even though there's going to be a lot of people in that space, and this doesn't affect me, by the way, because I'm bald, but if you go to a hairstylist now, some of the new salons have virtual reality screens where you can actually see what your colour would be like, if it was red, if it was brown, if it was there. So interestingly enough, even that role has technology innovations attached to it. So yeah, it's an interesting 20, and we've been able to go through those and quickly go through those as the top 20 in the environment, and yes, see how we go. And it's some of those. If you're young and you're looking at some of the roles for the future, maybe one of those 20 could be one to go for.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
I don't know where I'm going here.